To another one of our how-to guides. We are still celebrating our flower of the month, which is peony, so I'm going to create a wedding bouquet suitable for a bohemian styled wedding using some fantastic peonies. I've got some coral charm and I've got some red charm. I'm also going to add into the mix some David Austin Juliet roses. And to lend itself to that bohemian style, I'm adding some pheasant feathers, some Salix willow, tortured willow. The foliage I'm using is pistache and rosemary. I've also got a mixed selection of asparagus fern there. So within that bunch you get 5 different varieties. So I'm going to pick some of those to create the bouquet. Also for my floristry box today, it's the usual suspects, as we say. Floristry scissors. I've got a pair of scissors that I normally use for ribbon cutting. I've got twine, pearl-headed pins and some 12mm anchor tape. thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our peony themed Bohemian bouquet. I hope it's given you some inspiration. For more other inspiration, do go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Look at some of our other everyday videos and other themed wedding videos as well. Don't forget to like us and share us with your friends. And if you've got any questions, obviously do ask them and we'll try and answer them as best we can. In particular, have a look at our other peony bouquet that we've created. As I say, celebrating the month of May and our flower of the month, which is the peony. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again very soon. Bye for now.